Hey everybody, this is Jibreel, aka the Algo Slayer. I'm coming to you tonight on May 6th, after hours. This is just to give a sample of the type of trades that I help my followers with, where they can profit immediately. I am looking at ES because SPX and SPY are closed at this moment. I have drawn on the daily chart a Fibonacci retracement. This level is something I've been watching for many days now because 61.8 is an important level, and expectedly so, the ES, the SPX, SPY, they're all struggling at this level. You can see here that this candle was rejected. Then this candle broke above. That's a very bullish signal. However, it needs to stay above that to stay bullish. We did not do that. We broke back in. The cross back is just like that. This candle was really bullish. This is extremely bearish now. So now I'm expecting further downward movement, and that could still happen even though there was a pop up above it today. So you see a pop happen above this level, then we formed a triangle. Now triangles are continuation patterns, but here's a trick that I would like to teach my students, followers, on how to treat triangles. They usually are ending patterns. Like once they've continued the previous move, that's usually the end of that move. And it could be a long end. It doesn't have to be. This is quite short here. It could have been popped up to here. So I'm already looking for another bearish trade, a put or a short call here. So on the 5-minute chart, at this point, I've determined that this trade is going to reverse. So I started looking for the first 5-minute candle to make a lower low. This one does not, this one does not, sorry, this one does not, this one does. I go short here at 77.25. I don't expect the price to go above this recent high, but it is possible for it to bounce back. Usually it moves in my direction, which it did down to here, but then it did bounce back. So in doing so though, it created another pattern, which I'm not going to fully go over right now, but it led me to also have another entry with the 2-minute candle. So now I'm looking for 2-minute candles that make a new lower low. As you can see, this one does not, this one does not, this one does not, but this one does. So now I have an entry here, that's my short one, and I have an entry here, that's my short two. I'm expecting immediate move down, which I start getting, and we get down about 12 points from the high here. And because I'm getting ready to go to sleep, I'm taking some profits here. Actually, I took full profits here, and this is a very typical steamroller trade. We get in, get immediate movement, and we can either take partial profits and hold on for a bigger move, which we do quite often, or we can take the profit right there. So please, if you're interested, join our trading room and be a part of these trades.